Factor trinomials a is greater than 1, level 2. So this is exactly the same structure as the problems that came before it that were factor trinomials. It's just a bit more difficult. That's why it's called level 2. So we're going to use the same methods that we used for the last problem. So here I have my question written down. I'm going to label it A, B, and C. And draw in my diamond and my rectangle. Now in my diamond, I'm going to put A times C on top. So 5 times 3 is 15. And then the bottom of the diamond is the B term, so it's going to be negative 8. So I need two numbers that multiply to 15 and that add to negative 8. So I'm going to list them here on the side. 1 times 15, 3 times 5, and that's my only options. Now to get it to multiply to a positive and add to a negative, both numbers will need to be negative. So I'm going to think which of these pairs will add to negative 8. That's negative 3 and negative 5. Now that I have my diamond done, I'm going to move over to the rectangle. My A term goes in the top, 5x squared. My C term goes diagonal from it, and then my diamond values go in these two other boxes, negative 3x, negative 5x. Now to find my answer, I need to fill in the outside of the box. I like to start by looking across the top here. So these both have a 5, and they both have an x involved. So I can take out a 5x. Now to get 5x squared here, 5x times what gives me 5x squared? I would need a 1x. 5x times what gives me negative 5x? We would need a negative 1. 1x times what to give me negative 3x? I'd need a negative 3. And then we can just double check. Negative 1 times negative 3 does give me positive 3. So my answer is 5x minus 3 times x, or 1x, minus 1. I can type that in. 5x minus 3, x minus 1. And that's how you factor trinomials level 2.